Hey, it's Walter's Appliance, and today I'm going to show you some tips on how to keep your Bosch dishwasher running smoothly. Okay, there's our Bosch dishwasher. So what we want to do is take the lower rack out. And there you can see our filter, which is just to turn counterclockwise. There's our filter. And what you can do, actually this one needs to be cleaned. That's perfect. So what you want to do is just take it to your sink. You got your brush. And give it a bit of a cleaning. Okay, that looks a lot better. A little bit of food residue there. Okay, so that looks a lot better. And then what you want to do, you just put that back in there. You see those arrows? There's one there and one there. Just want to turn that clockwise and have them line up and meet. The next thing you have is your spray arms. Now what happens is food and residue will get caught in these holes. But what you can never do is make the holes any bigger than they are. This one doesn't have anything in it, but what you would want to do is get your shop vac, turn it on, and have it suck from there, and then gently just push whatever's in there into it. Right? Especially that one too. That one helps the spray arm spin. Okay? So that just goes back on and it's in. The upper spray arm, similar to the filter, is there's almost like a nut here at the bottom. Just want to turn that counterclockwise and the whole thing will come off. You want to look and see if there's any food or residue or anything in there. This one looks good. Same thing. You would put that in there. You would get your shop vac. You would suck there, holding that in, and then just push anything that was caught in there back in, and it would go into your shop vac. So to put that back, we're just going to line that up. I don't know if you can see that. There. Right. And just turn it clockwise and it'll click. Okay, so that looks pretty good. You can put this back in. And the last thing I would say would be the rinse aid. You see how that's lit up? That means we're out of rinse aid. So I have some rinse aid here. I'm going to open that up. And all we're going to do is open that up, put this down. This is where the rinse aid compartment is. Okay. You can see that it's just starting to fill to the top right there. That's good. Okay, the light for rinse aid is out now, so the dishwasher has enough rinse aid in it. It's very important for Bosch dishwashers to have rinse aid because that's how they dry. That's it. Another video by Walter's Appliance.